Hey, my name's Ty. I'm a trans voice teacher, and today we're going to do Masculinizing Your Voice, Part 3. Before we learn the new stuff, we're going to go over Parts 1 and 2 really quick. Okay, Part 1 is the breathing technique. This is how I want you to breathe in every time you speak. This is the Darth Vader breath. You're going to open everything up, your lips, your mouth, and a little bit in the back of your throat. Just a quick reminder to breathe in slow and deep, filling up your tummy or your diaphragm. Once you got that, then we're going to move on to part 2, which is just singing on some ooh and ah sounds. Let's do ooh first on this note. Ooh. Make sure that when you're singing low, you're singing loud and full. Okay, I'm going to play a note. You're going to sing after I'm done. On ooh. Once you feel pretty comfortable with the ooh shape, we're going to go on to part 3. Part 3 is going to be actually saying your vowels. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about masculine vowels and what they sound like. So the masculine vowel shape is going to be very open, just like we practiced with the breathing. So I want you to breathe in and repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Make sure that you're speaking low. Speak low in your voice as much as you can comfortably. Again, one more time, breathe in and say it. A, E, I, O, U. While you're practicing your vowels, I want you to hear the difference between the feminine and the masculine vowels. The feminine vowels are going to be very smiley, A, E, I, O, U, versus A, E, I, O, U. Try both, see if you can hear and feel the differences. After you got this down, I want you to think about keeping a similar shape inside your mouth and speaking some sentences. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? Hi, my name is Ty. If you got that down, then the next step is to read in a book with that same voice. Jasper says, good job.